If you don't have views, you don't have subscribers, make YouTube push your videos. Okay? Make YouTube push your videos. This video is going to explain to you exactly how to make YouTube to push your videos so that you can get views and subscribers. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing Oluisola. This channel is about your YouTube growth, wealth creation, learning different software and apps to make your life very easy. If any of these things resonate with you, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to be the very first person to get all our videos once we publish. So this video is to teach you exactly how to make the algorithm push your video. So here are different things that we're going to talk about in this video. So usually when you make a video and you use different app, for instance, let me use InShot. It's very common with InShot to edit it. Once you save it to your phone, or even if you use CapCut, I think CapCut just gives it some numbers. Once you save it to your phone, if you use InShot, or you save it to your laptop or your desktop, if you use CapCut, the file name will not be exactly what the video is about. In the case of InShot, InShot will put their own name there. InShot, at the end you will see InShot. Then in case of CapCut, you see like a number there. That's how it's going to save it. You need to change this file name. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that right now using iPhone, Android, and using a computer system or a laptop to change your file name. This is the reason. The name of your file, your title, your description, your file name, your tags, and every other thing should carry the title of your video. So all of them should have the same words. Okay, I will show you a practical example of how you should do that so that YouTube can push your videos. Let's go over to my YouTube studio and I will teach you exactly what to do to get all these things done properly.
So click on photos, click on the video that you want to use, click on this download button, then scroll down, click on save to files. Now change the name of your video. This is how to rename using your iPhone. You change the name of the video from the original one to the name. So now I'm typing how to get more views on YouTube. Okay, so that's how to change your name, change the name of your video. Save it to your iPhone or any of yours. Just save it. Okay, save. Now go to your YouTube dashboard login, log into your account, then click on the photo icon, click on Creator Studio. Then you see that arrow pointing up, click on it. That's where you're going to upload your video. Now upload, select the file, the one you just saved now. Choose files, not the other ones. Choose the video because you have changed the name. So if you choose the other ones, it will take you back to the photos now. But the one that you've changed the name is the one that will come up here because you clicked on choose files. You've uploaded. Now you can do your thumbnail, you can do your title. Using Android to rename your video, select the video, click on share. When you get to share, it will show you share with. So in that share with, you're going to click on drive. So you're going to save it to your Google Drive. Okay, you can see share with. Then you click on your drive. You click on drive. Then you can now rename the video. Okay, after clicking on drive, the original name will appear. This was the name. Then now you can change it. You can write how to or anything you want to write. This is how to rename using your Android. And after doing this, you can now upload the way you can see. I'm writing rename your video. So like this is the name I'm giving it. Okay, so with this, you can now upload the way I taught you how to upload. Okay, you can upload your video after renaming it. If it is Android you used to do the video. Transfer your video from your iPhone to your MacBook. Click on photo, click on the video. After clicking on the video, you click on this download button again, but this time around you're going to click on airdrop. Now you select the device. This is my MacBook and it will drop. Done. This is it here. The video that we airdropped into the MacBook. This is it here. So we're going to change the name right now. We will rename it so that it can correspond with our title and our description for SEO sake, okay? So that YouTube can keep pushing our videos. YouTube can keep recommending our videos because the SEO is done right. So if you are using Mac, use one hand to click on control and the other one to click on the video. Okay, you can see it has brought options. So you choose rename. So let us rename it now to how to get more views. How to get more views on YouTube. So you can see that we have tried to rename every of our video or how to get more views, okay? So that it will rhyme, it will correspond with our video title and our description, video title and the thumbnail. So this is how to rename your videos before you upload. It can help the algorithm to recommend your videos. Let's move to the next things you need to do for YouTube to keep recommending your videos and for YouTube to keep pushing your videos and for you to get more views. The next thing I'm going to talk about is your end screen. So you click on the end screen and choose a video that you use. I have picked this one here to be my end screen. You can choose any video you want or you allow YouTube to choose for you by themselves. However you do it, ensure that you click on your end screen and do the needful. Let's discard changes because I've done that already. The next thing is your cards. Okay, your cards. Make sure you put a card. I have put a card here and that is why this is showing. Okay, I used my playlist as my card. That's the next thing I want to talk about. Now let's move to playlist. The reason it is important for you to select a playlist is so that you gather all your videos that are related in the same way, that are related to each other in a particular playlist. And if you are thinking, how do I get my playlist link? Because I always prefer a playlist link, is for you to come to customization. You click on home tab. Click on home tab and you have your created playlist. If you have not created a playlist, let me tell you how to create it in your customized. You click on this add section. When you click on it, you will see playlist. Okay, you can see single playlist, you can see multiple playlists. Click on any of them. Just create playlist. The ones you've created already will appear. So I have created already, so that's why I have my playlist. So now, if you want to get this playlist link, you click on it. Click on any of them. It will take you to another browser. You can either copy the link. You can copy the link here. Or you click on share. This share button. If you click on this share button, you can now copy the playlist link. When you copy the playlist link, you can come back to your channel, go to the description of any of your videos. You see, let's go to this description. Then I've set my own already. You can now see, I put it in my related video. you can now put it here. That the one you copied, you paste it in here.
Hello, welcome back. I hope you really enjoyed the practical tutorial of how to change all these, your file name, how to set up your playlist, add your end screen and all that. Subscribe if you have not. Hit the notification bell, like this video and make a comment. Do you know that when you create value in the comment section, you will get subscribers? That's another great way for you to get subscribers. So go over to the comment section right now and make your presence known. Thank you. Bye.